I'm very happy to win today with my team. Very big and good job all the race, all the day for come back to the breakaway and the finish with the corner and very fast into the descent. But with Caleb Ewan, I know it's a big battle, so I win. Yeah, it's very good. I don't know, but tomorrow it's hard. It's finish into the climb. It's not very hard. The percentage it's not very high, but I don't know if Miles or Stefan. But for the trial, time trial, we have 2 cards with Miles and Stefan. So I think we can win another race.